Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on POCO F7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then click on About Phone, and now you have to scroll down. Then click on Factory Reset, and now you have to scroll down and click on Erase All Data. Now you have to draw your lock screen pattern and then click Factory Reset. Now you have to wait for 10 seconds and then you will have to click Next. Then click Next, and you have to wait for 10 seconds again. And click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.